Hello and welcome to another software release from DevCon Productions. And tonight we'll be talking about the DevCon QuadViewer. And let's start by taking a look at GitHub, where you can get the software. And if you go to DevCon Productions/QuadViewer, under releases, you can get the latest release, which is DevCon QuadViewer 1.0. And then once it finishes downloading, you can install it. You might get this warning because it doesn't have a signed certificate because that costs money. But I might be able to get free ones in the future. We'll see. But if you choose Run Anyway, then you can install the DevCon QuadViewer and create a desktop shortcut. Install. Great. And then you can launch the QuadViewer. Here is the DevCon QuadViewer application. And the purpose of this application is for those of you who like multi-view, the way that I do. I like to watch 4 things at one time. And despite what some people might say, I can pay attention to all 4 things. But it's kind of a pain to set them up on your computer. So the purpose of the program is to try to automatically open them for you and arrange them properly. As you can see, it comes with a number of channels set up already. Now, these are configured for Fubo and for Spectrum, which are what I generally use to stream. But you can edit them. So like if you wanted to edit ESPN, you can come in here and you can change the URL to the appropriate web address for wherever you stream ESPN from. And if you don't like ESPN or if you don't have ESPN, you could also delete it down here. Other things to keep in mind with this is that you can also add like YouTube channels. For instance, I have Sky News here from YouTube. So you could use that address. I've also put Netflix and Prime Video on here. So you can pretty much use any streaming website, although it might not be completely optimized. Over to the right is basically the control panel. So you can set up over here which channels you want. So I would like to watch, let's say, CBS, CNN, MS Now, and how about FanDuel, which broadcasts the Cavaliers. Okay, so I've now set up the 4 channels in the appropriate quadrants. And if you go down here, then you can hit execute. And it should open the 4 windows and hopefully automatically start playing them for you as well. This did take some tinkering to get it to work properly with Fubo and with with ESPN, or I'm sorry, with Fubo and with Spectrum. So I can't guarantee that it will work quite as smoothly with your streaming service if you use different services, but you could always download the source code and tinker with it a bit, maybe in Cloud Code, which is what I use to develop this. Now, a couple of features that are notable. You can control which one you're listening to. So if you press Control 1 on your keyboard, it will set up. And then if you wanted to listen to the second screen, you can hit Control 2 and Control 3 will take you to the third screen. Or sorry, I hit Control 4. Control 3 will take you to the third screen, and Control 4 will take you to the fourth screen. Now, if you see something that you're interested in and you want to zoom in, you can hit Control 5 to bring up the first screen, and Control 5 again will bring it back. Control 6 will bring up the second screen and turn that volume on. Control 7 and Control 8. And then if you want to mute all of them, Control 0 will do that for you. And Control 9 will bring the app to the forefront, or if you press Control 9 again, it will put the app behind the screens. So let's have another look at the app. You can also close all of the videos with the Close All button. And as you can see, they are all disappearing. Okay, one other feature that's important to note is that you can also do presets so that you don't have to come in and pick the channels that you want every time. So if there are 4 channels that you like to watch, for instance, I have this news preset, but you can, let's say we wanted to save this preset. I'll just call it DevCon 1. Now these 4 channels are saved as a preset, but I have this news preset here. So that, if I load it, will have the Fox Weather Channel, MS Now, Sky News on YouTube, and CNN. So if I execute that, it should bring up these 4 channels for me. Let's see. And sometimes it takes a second to activate, but there we go. And again, you can change which one you're watching. You can zoom in or zoom back out. And then you can bring the app to the forefront. And let's just close the windows. Oops, sorry. Close all. So there. It closes the windows for you. And finally, let's just look at a couple of the options. So you can export your channels and presets. Like if you wanted to move them to another computer, you can import and export them. And then there are different themes that you can use. Right now, it is on this darkly theme, but let's see. I kind of like Vapor, and I think I liked Superhero too. Yeah, Superhero is a nice one. And then help. There is documentation that you can read through if you forget the instructions. A link to this YouTube tutorial, and then our About page. This is the DevCon QuadViewer version 1.0 by DevCon Productions. And it was created by me in collaboration with Claude Code. We vibe coded it together. So when you're done, you can just press and you can go back to your day. So thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy the DevCon QuadViewer.